Hello, nag-iba tayong cellphone, namatay yung aking cellphone. Magpasalamat kayo kay Ruchi Captron. Ito, magpasalamat kayo kay Rining Sorrow, kay Umuulan na Kalungkutan.
What?
Yun yung Tagalog.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Umuulan na Kalungkutan.
I was like, since when
Raining Sorrow. Wave. Bro, I think it's only on iPhone that you can wave to cause like whenever people are joining, it's like appearing on the right side.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Fan GT. Favorite anime? I would say Your Lie in April. Now we can talk anime.
You lied. That's Inuyasha.
Oh yeah. Well,
Favorite overall is probably Nagtagalog.
yeah. Favorite overall favorite classic is Inuyasha.
Favorite newer one?
Kagome.
Oh, sorry.
That's my impersonation of the Japanese Inuyasha. I think my voice is too high for that. Yeah, CLR. CLR is dope, man. Shout out to him and Ann. They're doing their thing. You think?
I'm glad how no one's asking me what my favorite anime is.
Leanne, Michelle, Joy. What's up, girl? Leanne.
So many
Hey,
animes are so good.
that is the girl.
My current
What's
favorite.
good, shawty?
Like the one that I'm.
She did the voice acting for All Hallows Eve. That's featuring my homie Ezmil.
Bro.
That song,
That was
Pregnant. Evil. I love it. Kind of reminds me of doing metal, bro.
fucking totally not on my home screen, my shirts, my merch.
Anong masasabi mo kay
Yes.
Xander? Kay, anong pangalan niya? Xander Ford? Kay ano? Ano ba yung totoong pangalan niya?
I'd be like,
Xander Ford.
die, damn nerds.
Hey, no disrespect to you, man. How old is your sister?
Yeah, we do that, but like, ew.
She is. Cause I turned 22. I'm gonna be honest with that. On my birthday, when I released my album, I turned 22. And, huh?
I'm just throwing the ball down.
Why?
We're gonna go back this way anyways, right?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
But
If we can find it, that'll be a challenge.
dude, if I were Bakugo, like, I feel like the first thing I would do is like check to see, like, I look down, I have chubby cheeks. I look up,
Marlita.
like great cheeks.
How about me? Do I check the
Hold on. Xander Ford. Who else were you guys talking about, man? Xander? What other Xander do we know?
I look down in the mirror.
Pangalan nito.
Simple.
Did you end your life? Hindi ko in-end. Namatay yung cellphone ko. Ito, gamit ko yung cellphone ni Raining Sorrow. Ni Umuulan na Kalungkutan.
I still regret changing it to that. It was just RS.
I love you guys more. Are you kidding me? Yeah, you guys are not gonna win when we go into an I love you battle. Mahal ko kayo. Ay ayatan da kayo.
He will bazooka you with hearts.
Ay ayatan. Kusi kayo nga amin. Amon nyo data. Amon nyo data.
Atomic bomb.
Nga ay ayatan ko kay si ngayo. Ay ayatan ko si kayo nga amin.
Guys, here's how
Do a
good
freestyle.
my
You
mom
missed it, man. I'm not good with freestyles,
Here's
for
how
real.
creepy this song is.
I mean, wala ka bang balak?
You can freestyle sing.
Sana all mahal. Sana all mahal.
Creepy this song is.
Kayo ka mo. Mahal ko kayong lahat. Si kayo nga amin. Lahat kayo.
You all combined
Shout out
doesn't
mo
even
ako.
like compare.
Okay, AJ Narazzo. Omer G, Ilocano. Bakit? Lahat ng kausap ko sa lahat ng sa lingwahe, lagi nila sinasabi na broken. Kapag kausap ko English, yung nakatapat ko, sasabihin niya, man, your English is broken as hell. Pag nag-Ilocano ako, sasabihin nila, tol, apay, broken ti Ilocano. Tapos kapag Tagalog naman, parang kang tanga mag-Tagalog. Lahat sila ganun.
It's like
R.
It's like
Freestyle in Ilocano. Did I do that a while ago? Freestyle in Ilocano.
No, you didn't in Tagalog.
I don't know it too much. That's why I keep on admitting it to people.
What about freestyle in
I'm-
Japanese?
I'm fluent-ish with Ilocano. It's like my third. It's my third language. That's why it's not, it's not my first, not my second. Tagalog tsaka English yung pinaka-main. Pantay lang yung dalawang yun. Pero kapag nag-Ilocano naman ako, medyo balik-balik doon. Yo man, spit some bars right now. Man, I love you guys, but I put myself out there as a rapper, I guess. First and foremost, that's true.
I mean, they know you from the 24 bars.
Yeah, that's true, that's true.
I mean, didn't you sing in the 24 bars?
No, I fucking beatbox on that hoe.
Oh, that's it.
I mean, that repetitive shit, keep begging you, bitch. You just jealous cause you wanna kiss my neck and my dick. Cause evidence reach, rap, woo, but David click, fake, you, my,
Why do it sound so dead inside? Because you're
The
not.
fact that you analyze it, that creates a reverse time. That's creating. You are not present time.
It's just, like, I feel so tired.
Hi! Puting kalabaw, what's up, Tad? How you doing, Cuz?
We had to wake you up.
I know. I'm not gonna get on that.
Like only
Hey.
6 hours of sleep.
I was! That's what's up. Old school up in this motherfucking party like we're switching the blades and tipping the babes.
Nope.
Is somebody telling me? Oh, y'all better get that shit right.
My throat's still fucked up.
That's something you guys are hearing, huh? Some of y'all probably don't know I'm a metalhead too. Shit, I was in bands, bro. 8 bands, to be honest. Online bands. I will shout out you guys for real. But I'll say you guys' name in a death metal voice. Deathcore, death metal voice.
Only the metalheads can understand.
Shout outs, man, okay? Freestyle, no. Tatawid kami. Baka magpapakamatay ako. Joke lang.
You're rapping.
I
and
will
then you
never
sing.
say that. I mean, I will never do that.
What?
3 a.m.?
Let's go,
No,
y'all.
it's 12:35 a.m. at the moment.
3 a.m. wishing you were next to me.
3
You're
a.m.
built like
wishing you were next to me, don't you know? Looked on you. Hey, that's his song.
Which one?
Wow, it took
3
me long to
a.m.
get
wishing you were next to me, don't you know I'm hooked on
that
you.
looks like a bumble.
Like hooked
That was
on you.
our song, bro.
Evening side.
Oh, fuck, that's true. I thought it was like Alone Forever for a second.
You guys are.
A shout out.
Locking.
Shout out KJ Bogs. Do a short freestyle. I'll freestyle in the death metal voice. You do not have a choice. I'm in this booth like and I'm very moist. It's very wet. And I do not know what to do yet. I will treat you like an animal, like a vet.
Like, he's so sexy. That's understandable.
Face mask.
Yeah, just
Ako lang yata yung papasok sa 7-Eleven eh. Which one of you guys are
I'll
actually?
go. Cause I want to say bye to this
actually
guy.
what? Actually what?
I'll take this thing off then to have you. Alright, for
I'm
sure.
gonna see what's up to help me real quick.
Alright, is that them? Hey! Daming coincidences na nangyayari.
It's fake. It's
Nakita namin mga tropa namin.
Like you can use a bullet.
I already hit one, bro, but I'm just not.
I like half of it.
Hey, what's up, man? Y'all chilling? Alright. Y'all take care out there.
Stay up, bro.